friends, hope you guys are doing well. So today I am back with another Linux command line video, and in this video I'm going to be discussing redirection with you. And so in the previous video I mentioned about this, and in the previous video I also showed you the cat command, cat command line. So you guys can check that out. To understand cat more better, because we are going to be needing to use cat today. But first of all, before those, what does redirection simply mean? Redirection means capturing output from a file, command or program and sending it as an input to another file, command or program. For example, you want to transfer some output. So I will just write output here. And you want to transfer this output to a file. So I will give this arrow and I'm going to be writing file. So basically this, pointing ahead of the arrow, it shows the direction of the output, the output will be sent to the file. So now let's see how we can use this redirection in command line. So first of all, I'm going to be teaching you how to take the output stream into the file you want to. So first of all, I'm going to be writing cat, and then I'm going to be giving this angular bracket, and then I have to write text.txt. Okay, so I'm writing text.txt and enter. So since it was this test.txt file was not there, it created a new file called test.txt. So I am inputting I will write whatever I want to write in the file. So I will write line 1, line 2 and then line 3. So now I will press Ctrl D to exit the cat command, and so now if I press cat test.txt the file name, so it will give me whatever content I have in this file. So I have explained this in a much more detail in my cat command video, so you guys can go and check that out. So now I will do the same thing. Cat angular sign txt, and now I will write line 4, line 5 and line 6, and I'm going to be pressing Ctrl D. And now let's see in cat test.txt, after entering, you will only be able to see the line 4, 5, 6. The recent thing I just did, you will not be able to see the content of my previous command, because if you give the single angular bracket, it will overwrite your previous content. Whatever you had in the file, it will overwrite it, and then give the new content, and it will show you the new content only. Now it may happen that you don't want it to overwrite your previous content. So what you need to do in that case is that you just need to write cat angular bracket test.txt, but instead of a single angular bracket, you have to give cat double angular bracket test.txt. So enter, and now suppose I am writing line 7, line 8 and line 9, and I'm going to be pressing enter and then Ctrl D to exit the cat file. So now I will enter cat test.txt, and as you can see here that it has not overwritten my previous content, which was my previous command content, which was 4, 5, 6, and it has just written 7, 8, 9. It has just added that to it. So now suppose you want to concatenate the content of two files and put it into another file. So as you can see here, I have one list.txt file and list2.txt. So I will be showing you these content of these. So cat list.txt. And so as you can see here, it is written line 1, line 2, then a break, like line break, and then line 3. And I'm gonna be also showing you the list2.txt's content. So that is test2 line 1, test2 line 2, and test2 line 3. So now I want to concatenate or add both of the content of both of these files into another file. So what do I have to do is I'm going to be writing cat and then the file names respectively. So list.txt, and my second one is list2.txt, and now I'm going to be giving the angular bracket, and then I'm going to be writing the file I want to output the content into. So that will be my out.txt. So since I didn't have a out.txt, as you can see, it has created an out.txt here. And if I now check the content of the out.txt, so cat, and as you can see, both of the content of these files have been combined or concatenated into the out.txt file. So as you just saw, you can use this, you can concatenate the content of 2 to 3 files or 3, 4 or 5, 6, whatever amount you want. You just have to give a space and respectively write the file names, and then give the angular bracket, and then write the file you want to output your content to. Now another thing that I wanted to say is that this redirection is not specifically for cat command. You guys can also use it in any other command. For example, let's write ls minus al and then the angular bracket, and then suppose out.txt, and enter. And now if I see the content of out.txt, it is showing me the ls minus al result. So hope you guys liked the video. If you like, please share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be coming with more Linux line command videos pretty soon. And so if you if you like the video, please share it to your friends. And also, I am just learning, and I am not very good at these stuff, but I'm just learning, and telling you guys that it also helps me better learn, and you guys can also know about the things you may not know or you may know. So if you if I do anything wrong or say anything wrong, please feel free to write in the comment section, and I will try to make that thing right, and I will mention and everything. So thank you for watching.